Hello. Today I want to show you how to set up the Autocost extensions. Since Autocost is an internet-based application and your CAD system is stored locally, we need to set up the extensions to be able to communicate. There are two extensions. One is the browser extension, the second one is stored locally on your CAD system. Usually we use Mozilla Firefox for Autocost. You need to log in at automarker.com and switch to Autocost. When you enter Autocost, you need to click onto the button Params in the green bar. Here you will find all the global parameters. Click onto Tab Integration. Here you will find a link with which you can install the software. You need to confirm the installation several times. Once the installation is finished, you need to refresh Autocost. Go to the global parameters to Tab Integration again. Now you will see a button in the middle. Click on the button. The browser extension will open. Here you need to select the version of your locally installed CAD release. Use the drop-down button and select the correct version. Finish the saving the settings. Go back to Autocost, into the Parameters, Tab Integration, and refresh again. Now you will see your currently active context and the data path. You will also see that the configuration of the extension was successful because you have green messages. Now you can continue your learning experience by watching my next video.